When it comes to finding a 3 inkjet printer, your best option is often going to be through Hewlett-Packard. While they have designed several models through the years, one that stands out is the HP Color Inkjet CP1700. Before I continue this review, there's something you should know. This printer is known for speed. As a matter of fact, the only A3 printer that's known to be faster is the Canon S9000, but that machine will also cost you a lot more dough. The bad thing here is that I don't actually have the speed statistics. For some reason, they seem nearly impossible to find. That said, what I do know is that customers have been very happy with this machine's speed, as well as many other features, which will be covered below. This machine might be known for its stealth speed, but there is something else about it that might be the biggest selling point, and that's its price. For instance, it's very possible to find it for between $300 and $600, which is nearly unheard of for an A3 inkjet printer. At this price, you would expect to not be getting much in return, but luckily for you, that isn't the case. Based on HP's cut-through reputation, it's surprising they would offer such a generous deal. Perhaps it's their way of attracting more customers for the long haul. It might be something you want to take advantage of. Let's look at some of the stats and features for the HP Color Inkjet CP1700. The CP1700 can reach color resolution as high as 2400 x 1200 dots per inch and black resolution as high 1200 x 1200 dots per inch. These are very impressive numbers for an A3 printer. In most cases, A3 printers focus solely on print size capability, not quality. So, while these resolution numbers aren't spectacular compared to standard printers, they're very good for an A3. The CP1700 supports several interfaces, including USB, parallel, infrared, and there is even an LIR slot, which means you will be able to network and use Internet e-services. USB and parallel connectivity are relatively commonplace, and infrared is self-explanatory. In case you're not familiar with infrared, it basically means you will be able to print from technological devices that are nearby. This machine has 16 MB of memory and is capable of printing several different types of material, including envelopes, posters, banners, and, of course, plain paper. It offers two-sided printing and an optional auto-duplexing unit. It has 4 print heads with automatic print head alignment and 4 ink cartridges. These ink cartridges contain black, cyan, magenta and yellow, which lead to extremely vivid detail on your prints. There's also a rear manual feed. This feature will help prevent smudging and bending on thick material. An LCD display will show you ink levels, print head conditions, and print head status, which are convenient features that shouldn't be undervalued. If you're not very familiar with A3 inkjet printers and the features expected for these machines, then I'll help do the math for you. While you might be able to find more features and better quality with something like the Canon S9000, not everyone has a budget that large. That being the case, the HP Color Inkjet CP1700 is your next best option. Based on everything it offers, the value is superb. If you can find it for under $500, it's a steal.